Welcome students. Today we have a lecture of Science Fact File Book 6. So we will see from the content. Today we will start the second chapter of the science, that is life and living things, which is on page number 16. Okay. So this is our second chapter, life and living things. Before starting the chapter, first of all mention today date here and also the day of today. Okay. So life and living things. Okay. What is meant by living things? We know that the things which are able to reproduce, grow, or which are able to eat, feed and produce their own food are known as living things. ठीक है. Simply we call living things are those organisms which are able to reproduce or grow. For example, plants, they are also living organisms. We are also living organisms because they have ability to grow and reproduce. Okay. The things in these pictures may look very different from each other, but they all have one significant things in common. ठीक है. पिक्चर्स में हमें यहाँ पे डिफरेंट चीज़ें नज़र आ रही हैं. ठीक है. So they all are different, very different from each other, but they have a certain characteristic which are common, which is common characteristic of all these things. What is common in them? They are all alive. They all are alive means they all are able to grow or reproduce. ठीक है. For example, this is a cat. Cat is also a living thing because it has ability to grow or reproduce. There is a plant, they have also ability to reproduce. Okay. So they have a common characteristic. What is? They all are alive. This is the common characteristic between them. Living things can be identified. Identified means recognized because they have certain characteristics. How living things can be identified. Living things can be identified because they have a certain characteristic. They have certain common characters that are present in all the living things by which they can be recognized. They all carry out the same life process. First of all, they all have a same life process. That's why they have a same characteristics. Although they do not all do these in exactly the same way, however, they all do not act in the same way, but they have certain characteristics which are similar in them. ठीक है. A cat moves very quickly when it chases a mouse. For example, when a cat sees a mouse, he runs very fast to chase her. ठीक है. So it means its ability to, it is alive, so it is move very quickly. And an EV plant, on the other hand, move very slowly as it grows up a wall toward the light. EV एक हमारे पास एक प्लांट है जो हमारे पास बहुत स्लोली ग्रो करता है. वन ग्रो टूवर्ड द किसी भी वॉल के साथ इसको ग्रो किया जाए तो अगर उस तरफ लाइट पड़ रही है तो वो स्लोली करता है. तो कहने का मतलब ये है कि दे ऑल लिविंग, दीज ऑल आर लिविंग थिंग्स बिकॉज दे हैव एबिलिटी टू रिप्रोड्यूस और सर्वाइव. Biologists try to find out more about life and living things by studying animals and plants and in particular how they behave. Biologists are constantly trying to find out living things के बारे में बहुत कुछ, उनकी लाइफ और उनके बिहेवियर के बारे में बहुत कुछ स्टडी किया है. उनकी कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स में कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो पार्टिकुलर हैं और ये किस वे में क्या करते हैं, बिहेव करते हैं, किस वे में ये लोग एक्ट करते हैं. ठीक है. So next topic is that is life process. Life process, we know that any living organism which is alive, it has certain life process, it has certain characteristics that possesses them. All living things have 7 characteristics or life process. All living things have 7 characteristics or life process. There are 7 characteristics that are present in all living things. Number 1 is, that is feed. All organisms feed. We know that without feed we cannot survive. So whether they are animals, whether they are plants, whether we living organism, human, we also, first characteristic is feed. एनिमल्स फीड्स टू प्रोड्यूस एनर्जी एंड टू ग्रो। एनिमल्स क्या करते हैं, फीड करते हैं। वाई दे फीड टू प्रोड्यूस एनर्जी इन देयर बॉडी एंड टू ग्रो करने के लिए और फीड कर और एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए उन्हें क्या चाहिए होता है, फूड चाहिए होता है, तो इसलिए वो क्या करते हैं, फीड करते हैं। दे ईट अदर लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स, प्लांट्स मेक देयर ओन फूड बाय फोटोसिंथेसिस। एंड इन केस ऑफ एनिमल्स may eat other animals or living things and they produce their food and take energy. However, in case of plants prepare their foods by photosynthesis in the presence of sunlight. तो फोटोसिंथेसिस के ज़रिए प्लांट क्या है, अपना फूड प्रोड्यूस करते हैं। ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक हमारे पास क्या होगी, लाइफ प्रोसेस की जो लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म में कॉमन है। नंबर 1 इज़ अ फीड इज़ द फर्स्ट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक दैट इज़ प्रेजेंट इन ऑल लिविंग थिंग्स। Now second one is that is grow. Animals only grow until they reach a certain height. For example, एनिमल्स की एक मैक्सिमम हाइट होती है, एक लिमिट होती है हाइट की जहाँ तक वो ग्रो कर सकते हैं। ऑन रीचिंग दैट हाइट दे कैन नॉट ग्रो फर्दर। ठीक है, प्लांट्स हाउएवर ग्रो कॉन्टीन्यूसली थ्रू आउट देयर लाइफ। लेकिन प्लांट्स हमारे पास क्या है, वो कॉन्टीन्यूसली ग्रो करते रहते हैं थ्रू आउट देयर लाइफ। तो ग्रो सेकेंड हमारे पास कैरेक्टरिस्टिक क्या है कि लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म की दैट दे ग्रो। फर्स्ट वन इज़ फीड, नंबर सेकेंड वन इज़ ग्रो। सो ऑल लिविंग थिंग्स आर एबल टू ग्रो और रिप्रोड्यूस। ठीक है, सो द थर्ड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ द लिविंग थिंग्स इज ऑल लिविंग थिंग्स प्रोड्यूस वेस्ट सच एज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर। द रिमूवल ऑफ वेस्ट फ्रॉम द बॉडी इज कॉल्ड एक्सक्रीशन। अब हमारी बॉडी में जब हम कोई भी फूड इनटेक करते हैं तो आवर डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम स्टार्ट वर्किंग एंड डाइजेस्ट दैट फूड एंड ड्यूरिंग दिस डाइजेशन द वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट इज आल्सो eliminated from our body. That waste product is known as excretion. The removal of waste from the body is called excretion. What is mean by excretion? The removal of waste from the body is called excretion. हमारे पास वेस्ट क्या होता है, वो चीज़ें जो हमारी बॉडी को जिस चीज़ की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होती वो हमारे पास वेस्ट होता है, दैट इज़ मूव आउट ऑफ फ्रॉम आवर बॉडी एंड दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज एक्सक्रीशन। ठीक है, so underline this, what is meant by excretion? The removal of waste from the body is called excretion. The third characteristics of all living things that is excretion. All living organisms have the ability to excrete the waste product from their body and this process is known as excretion. Okay, next is, do you know on earth there are more than 15 lakh different kinds of animals and about 3 lakh different kinds of plants. अभी हमारे पास अर्थ पे more than 15 lakh different kind of animals and 3 lakh more than and about 3 lakh different plants के species हैं। ठीक है, ये 3 characteristic होगी। नंबर 4th one is the 4th characteristic of the living organism is that animals move by using their legs, wings or fins. Plants move by growing toward or away from some things. For example, all living things are able to move or for example animals move by using their legs, or birds using their wings, and aquatics animal uses their fins to move. ठीक है, so plants move by growing toward, away or from something, toward or away from something. Animals use their legs to move, and whereas plants go by moving towards or away from something. ठीक है, तो fourth one characteristic is that is moves. Any living things have the ability to move. This is the fourth characteristic of living organisms. This one characteristic is animals use sense organs such as eye and ears to respond to what is going on around them. So animals की हमारे पास क्या होती है, एक ability होती है कि हमारे पास sense organ होते हैं. For example ear eyes to see or to hear what happened going around them. ठीक है, plant do not have a sense organ. However, plant do not have a sense organ, but they are still react by growing toward things such as light and water. For example, where there is a light, the plant is growing toward that place where there is a light and water. So they have, even though they have no sense organ, but they have ability to grow toward that where there is a water or light. Okay, so this is respond. That is the third fifth characteristics of the living things. Next one is 6. All living things must reproduce to replace those that die. सो ऑल लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म की ये भी एबिलिटी होती है टू प्रोड्यूस देयर ओन सप्रिंग्स टू देयर ऑफस्प्रिंग्स, ठीक है, टू प्रोड्यूस देयर यंग वंस. So these are 6 characteristics of living things. Number next is 7 characteristics living things need energy to grow, to move, and to enable the body to work properly. Energy is released from food in a process called respiration. ठीक है. लिविंग थिंग्स को एनर्जी रिक्वायर होती है फॉर व्हाट पर्पस, टू ग्रो, टू मूव एंड टू इनेबल द बॉडी टू वर्क प्रॉपरली. ठीक है. तो एनर्जी रिक्वायरमेंट किसके लिए होती है, टू ग्रो, मूव एंड टू इनेबल द बॉडी वर्क प्रॉपरली. ठीक है. So energy is released from the food in a process called a respiration. The seventh one, last one characteristic of the living organism, that is the respiration. Respiration. Without respiration, the animal or the living things cannot survive. For example, during the respiration, plants intakes carbon dioxide and release oxygen, and in case of human beings or animals takes oxygen and excrete carbon dioxide. So during the energy, when the energy is released from a food, so during this process known as respiration. So there are the total 7 characteristics that are common in all living things. Number 1 is feed, number 2 is grow, number 3 is excretion, number 4 is move, number 5 is respond, number 6 is reproduction, and last one, that is a respiration. So there is total 7 characteristics that are present in all living organisms. Okay. So do you know plant growth movements in response to a stimulus are called tropisms. किसी भी स्टिमुलस की तरफ रिस्पॉन्स या मूवमेंट को प्लांट ग्रो करता है, किसी भी कोई भी स्टिमुलस प्रेजेंट हो तो उसकी तरफ वो रिस्पॉन्ड करके ग्रो करना स्टार्ट करता है. दैट इज प्रोसेस इज नोन एज ट्रोपिज्म. ठीक है. वेदर इट इज़ लाइट और वेदर इट इज़ अ वाटर. सो फोटोट्रोपिज्म इज द रिस्पॉन्स ऑफ मूविंग टूवर्ड द लाइट. वेयर देयर इज अ लाइट द प्लांट स्टार्ट गोइंग टूवर्ड दैट side. So this is known as phototropism. Photo mean light, so it means that when plant is about to grow in the direction of light, and it is known as phototropism. And then hydrotropism. Hydro mean water, so hydrotropism is the response of moving toward the water, where the water उस तरफ रिस्पॉन्स करना, उस तरफ ग्रो करना, मूविंग ऑफ बॉडी टूवर्ड द वाटर, so it is known as hydrotropism. ठीक है. So there is a what is tropism. Tropism 2 types, phototropism, and second one is hydrotropism. Okay.